Show up is a very common phrasal verb that means to appear or arrive, either unexpectedly or as expected. This phrasal verb combines show and up to create a special meaning different from the individual words. Beginners should remember it always means becoming visible or reaching a place. She finally showed up at the party means she arrived there after keeping everyone waiting. He did not show up for work today means he failed to arrive at his job. These examples show how show up describes arriving at events or places, often when someone is late or absent. Arrive means to reach a destination, just like show up in most situations. Appear describes something becoming visible suddenly. Turn up is another phrasal verb with the same meaning as show up when talking about arriving somewhere. These words help express the same idea. I waited, but he did not show up means the person never arrived as promised. She showed up late to work describes arriving behind schedule. A stain showed up on my shirt means it became clearly visible. Show up works for both people arriving and things becoming noticeable. They showed up in a fancy car means they arrived driving something expensive. Snow showed up overnight describes it appearing suddenly. The solution showed up suddenly means the answer became clear without warning. Show up describes both physical arrival and things becoming visible. Show up is intransitive, which means it never takes a direct object after it. She showed up late is correct grammar. Never say show up it because show up cannot have an object. This simple rule makes show up easy to use correctly. The basic pattern is subject shows up with no object needed. Never use subject shows up object because this phrasal verb stays intransitive. All tenses work normally like showed up, is showing up, or will show up. Follow this pattern for perfect grammar. Fill in the blank. He never shows up to meetings because he arrives late or not at all. Shows up is the correct answer for this sentence. Practice using show up in your own sentences every day to remember it naturally. Regular practice builds confidence with phrasal verbs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.